Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will delve into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th day of February in the year 2025, our system has categorized Supermicrocomputer as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 106.62% since we initially recommended purchasing Supermicrocomputer 11 days ago. This equates to an average return of 9.69% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and weak short-term rising trend, and an even stronger rate of increase is now indicated. For any potential pullback, there will be support at the level of $46.37, a point that may provide a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, $65.36 could represent the next possible peak level, serving as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.35% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 51.69% to negative 18.16%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative 57.65% change over the next year, with potential returns between negative 100% and negative 57.65%. This translates to a price range from $0 to $25.51 after a year. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $55 and $66. The Supermicrocomputer stock price gained 7.84% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, rising from $55.87 to $60.25. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a short break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 19.09%, with a low of $55.68 and a high of $66.31. The price has increased on 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 106.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 169 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. In total, 328 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $19.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $122.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 50.98%, or $62.65, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer Incorporated is experiencing a notable rebound in its stock price, highlighted by a remarkable surge of 17.3% today alone. This resurgence follows a challenging year, as investors respond positively to recent business updates and optimistic expectations surrounding the company's upcoming 10-K filing, due by February 25th. The firm is navigating potential compliance issues with NASDAQ, but with strong performance metrics in artificial intelligence server demand and a strategic plan to raise $700 million via convertible senior notes, the company appears to be on a solid recovery path. Despite facing regulatory scrutiny and some financial reporting challenges, Supermicro is positioned as an undervalued growth opportunity. The demand for artificial intelligence-related infrastructure is driving a favorable long-term outlook, particularly as major industry players signal increasing spending in this area. This robust demand, coupled with improved financial governance, suggests that the stock may not only recover, but also thrive as the market acknowledges its potential. In the short term, heightened investor enthusiasm around potential artificial intelligence deals and the resolution of compliance fears could drive the stock even higher. Positive sentiment is further supported by bullish analyst perspectives and market indications that may encourage speculative buying, creating a ripple effect on SMCI's stock momentum. Overall, the current developments present a compelling narrative for potential upside in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 18, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold rating with a hold action. On the same day, February 18, 2025, Loop Capital Markets issued a buy rating for SMCI, also with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 12, 2025, Wedbush updated its rating for SMCI to neutral while maintaining a hold action. On Wednesday, November 6, 2024, Needham rated SMCI as mixed with a hold action. On the same date, Citigroup provided SMCI with a reduced rating accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicrocomputer stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The Supermicrocomputer stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $46.97 and $34.53. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was initiated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 124.39%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 12 days ago. A short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 8 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal just 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $55.87 and $47.91. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases significantly. A drop below the support at $47.91 may result in a substantial decline in the stock price. This stock is likely to experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.63 between its high and low, representing a change of 19.09%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 13.89%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This particular PE ratio is quite typical, often observed in companies that have established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for supermicrocomputer. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the right moment to exit. On the downside, supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $55.87. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Chung Kenneth, who bought and sold 6,165 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 17.214. In total, insiders acquired 3,708,835 shares and divested 5,298,326 shares in the past 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $58.31, reflecting a decline of 3.22%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 89, further amplifying this risk. However, a buying signal was identified from a pivot bottom discovered 11 days ago. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer displays several promising indicators. However, these alone do not suffice for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider the stock as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold their positions or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. After evaluating the volatility and fluctuations from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the stock is currently undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate that supermicrocomputer will open at approximately 49.7 cents and begin trading around $60.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target price for this stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.